In a world brimming with natural wonders, the unsung heroes aren't merely the landscapes themselves, but the incredible beings that inhabit them. Join us on a captivating journey as we uncover the mesmerizing contributions of wild animals in maintaining and embellishing the world we call home. From the bustling ants working as nature's cleanup crew to the noble elephants transforming forests, each animal, irrespective of its size, plays a vital part in maintaining the delicate balance of our environment. Witness the delicate flutter of a butterfly, contributing to the vibrant colors of our surroundings. The canvas of our Earth is painted by these artists of nature. Be it the mesmerizing flight of birds carrying seeds, fostering new life, or the vital role of predators in maintaining ecosystem stability, every action creates a ripple in the tapestry of our planet. In a world where humans and animals coexist, it's imperative to acknowledge our responsibility in safeguarding their homes. From conservation initiatives to sustainable practices, our partnership with these remarkable creatures is pivotal in maintaining the magnificence and balance of our environment. Subscribe for more insights into the awe-inspiring world of nature and wildlife conservation. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.